What's the meaning of bargaining? Bargaining. Bargaining.
Bargaining. Bargaining. Bargaining is a negotiation process between two or more parties with the intention of reaching a mutual agreement on a particular issue or situation. The parties involved in bargaining may have different goals, interests, and priorities, and may use different tactics and strategies to achieve their objectives. Bargaining can take place in various contexts, such as business, politics, legal disputes, or personal relationships. During bargaining, the parties may make concessions, trade-offs, offers, counteroffers, and compromises, while seeking to maximize their gains and minimize their losses. Successful bargaining requires effective communication, trust-building, creativity, and problem-solving skills, as well as a willingness to listen, understand, and respect each other's perspectives.